Some cars are a joy to drive, but a nightmare to maintain. A minor issue can turn into a major bill, and what seems simple under the hood can come with a price tag that surprises even experienced owners. Often, it's not just the parts, it's engineering, technology, and the precision built into every component that drives costs up. Today, we're exploring why owning certain machines can be so hard on the wallet and what makes their repairs feel almost like a luxury of their own. Today, we will talk about why German cars are so expensive to fix. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Why German cars are so expensive to fix. 2026 edition German cars are celebrated worldwide for luxury, performance, and engineering sophistication. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Porsche deliver advanced technology, precise handling, and premium features. However, these same qualities often translate into high repair and maintenance costs. In 2026, understanding why German vehicles are so expensive to fix is crucial for buyers who want luxury without financial surprises. Factors such as complex engineering, high-performance engines, advanced electronics, and specialized labor contribute to their elevated service costs. Whether you own a sporty BMW 3 Series, a Mercedes S-Class, or a Porsche 911, even routine repairs, like brake pads, oil changes, or diagnostic work, cost significantly more than comparable Japanese or American vehicles. In this article, we'll explore the reasons behind these high costs and explain what makes German cars unique in terms of maintenance and repair expenses. 2. Complex engineering drives up costs. German vehicles often feature highly sophisticated engineering, including turbocharged engines, dual-clutch transmissions, adaptive suspensions, and all-wheel drive systems. While these technologies improve performance, handling, and comfort, they also require specialized knowledge to maintain and repair. For example, a BMW M3 or Mercedes AMG model has components designed for high stress, meaning any failure requires precise work by trained technicians. Labor costs increase because independent mechanics may not have the necessary tools or certification to service these advanced systems. Even seemingly simple repairs can become costly because of the intricacy of German automotive engineering. 3. High-performance engines are expensive to service. German cars often rely on high-output engines, including turbocharged 4-cylinders, inline sixes, V6, V8s, and even V12s in luxury or sports models. These engines feature tight tolerances, advanced cooling systems, and performance-oriented components that demand premium maintenance. Oil changes require specific synthetic oils, filters are more expensive, and certain components like turbochargers, intercoolers, or high-pressure fuel systems can be costly to replace. Repairs to performance engines can quickly surpass $1,000 for even moderate issues, making ownership a financial consideration. 4. Advanced electronics and computer systems. German cars are packed with electronics, from infotainment and driver assistance systems to adaptive cruise control and stability control modules. While these features enhance comfort, safety, and driving pleasure, they also complicate repairs. Diagnosing electrical or software issues often requires specialized diagnostic tools available only at dealerships or certified shops. A malfunctioning sensor, control module, or wiring harness can lead to expensive labor charges, sometimes costing more than the replacement parts themselves. This reliance on high-tech electronics is a key reason repair bills for German vehicles remain high. 5. Premium parts and limited availability. Another factor in high repair costs is the price of replacement parts. German manufacturers use high-quality, often exotic materials and components that are designed to last but are expensive to manufacture. OEM parts for BMW, Mercedes, or Audi can cost several times more than comparable Japanese or American parts. Limited availability for certain components, especially for rare or discontinued models, also drives up costs. Even simple items like brake rotors, suspension arms, or filters can be significantly more expensive, contributing to overall high maintenance bills. 6. Labor costs, specialized skills required repairing a German car often demands highly trained technicians familiar with brand-specific systems and tools. Labor rates at dealerships or specialized repair shops can be double or triple those of general service centers. Many German vehicles require more time to perform routine tasks due to tightly packed engine bays, complex electronics, or intricate suspension systems. Even an oil change or brake replacement may take longer than expected, adding to labor expenses. This specialized labor requirement is a consistent driver of higher overall maintenance costs. 7. Complex transmissions and drivetrain components. German cars frequently use advanced transmissions such as dual-clutch gearboxes, automatic ZF units, or AWD systems with torque vectoring. While these improve driving dynamics, they can be expensive to repair or replace. Dual-clutch transmissions, in particular, are prone to wear if maintenance is neglected, and repairs can cost thousands. AWD and all-wheel drive systems require frequent servicing, including differentials and transfer cases, which adds to the long-term cost of ownership. 8. Luxury features. Increased maintenance needs high-end features like air suspension, adaptive headlights, heated cooled seats, and panoramic sunroofs enhance comfort but increase the likelihood of failures over time. When these systems fail, repairs are costly due to both parts and labor. Even minor electronic malfunctions can require advanced diagnostics, replacement modules, and extensive labor. The more luxurious and feature-packed the German car, the higher the probability of expensive repairs, reinforcing their reputation for costly maintenance. 9. Depreciation and aging German cars. Older German cars can be particularly expensive to maintain. Depreciation means that while the initial purchase price might be manageable, aging components, wear on electronics, and rare parts make repairs more frequent and costly. Unlike Japanese vehicles with simple, proven mechanical designs, German cars often require specialized service even after moderate mileage. Neglecting regular maintenance can accelerate expensive failures, making early and consistent upkeep essential to controlling costs. 10. Conclusion. Why German cars require a bigger wallet. German cars combine luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but these attributes drive higher repair and maintenance costs. Complex engineering, high-performance engines, advanced electronics, premium parts, specialized labor, sophisticated transmissions, and feature-packed systems all contribute to elevated expenses. For owners in 2026, it's crucial to budget for higher routine service costs, unexpected repairs, and specialized labor. While owning a German car provides unmatched driving pleasure, comfort, and prestige, the price of maintenance ensures that these vehicles remain premium in every sense. Buyers who understand these costs can make informed decisions, balancing their desire for luxury and performance with financial planning. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.